نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Learn Pashto with Ease, the language of Khorasan. In the previous video, we have learned all the alphabet of Pashto. In these videos, we will learn them one by one with their words. First, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. And these are the complete Pashto alphabet. And we have learned the accent, how it sounds in the previous video. In this video, we will learn just the Alif and some words. Alif has a sound. A. Alif, A. Alif, Angur. Alif, Angur. Angur meaning grapes. Alif, Angur. Angur meaning grapes. Khwaja meaning sweet. Khwaja. Khwaja. You can also say it khwaga. 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 In different dialogue, people will understand khwaga. And if you hear khwaga, that meaning sweet. Khwaja or khwaga. Khwaja or khwaga meaning sweet. D R. D meaning R. Angur khwajadi. Grapes are sweet. Angur khwajadi. Grapes are sweet. Or Angur khwagadi. Angur khwagadi. Both are correct. Angur khwajadi or Angur khwagadi. Grapes are sweet. If you put da Angur khwajadi, these grapes are sweet. Angur khwajadi or Angur khwagadi. Alif, Ana. Alif, Ana. Ana meaning grandmother. Alif, Ana. Ana meaning grandmother. Alif, Anar. Alif, Anar. Anar meaning pomegranate. Anar, pomegranate. Khuri. Khuri, eats. Khuri, eats. Ana anar khuri. Ana anar khuri. Grandmother eats pomegranate. Ana anar khuri. Grandmother eats pomegranate. Ana anar khuri. Repeat. Ana anar khuri. Ana anar khuri. Again. Ana anar khuri. Grandmother eats pomegranate. And this is also Alif with mad. You just let us stretch it. A. Alif with hamza. A. As. 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 Meaning horse. As. Meaning horse. As. As. Alif with mad. Awaz. Awaz. Awaz meaning voice or sound. Noise also can have the meaning of noise as well. Awaz. Lari. Lari meaning has. Lari. As awaz lari. As awaz lari. Alif as. Alif awaz lari. As awaz lari. Horse has voice. Horse has voice. As awaz lari. As awaz lari. Horse has voice. As rawala. As rawala. As rawala. Bring the horse. As rawala. Rawala. As rawala. Bring the horse. Rawala is used for bringing someone or something which is walking. You bring someone on their foot. Could be animal or could be a person. Rawala. As rawala. Bring the horse. Or you can say someone, Jawed rawala. Hamid rawala. But if it is something, you don't say rawala. We will study in the coming videos. It is rawala. Rawala. So we learn the rawala. As rawala. Bring the horse. As rawala. Bring the horse. So now how to practice. Repeat. Memorize the words and practice the sound. Repeat them again and again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Of course, ring the bell for the coming videos. Oos taasu the practice waqti. Now it is your time to practice. The Khudai pa aman.